Hi, this is Curtis Rainbolt. I'm a technical service rep with BASF. Today I'm out at the Oregon State University Research Station near Ontario, Oregon. I'm going to take a look at a trial that was conducted by Joel Felix, the weed scientist here, where he's incorporated Zidua into a couple of different onion weed control programs. Now I'm standing in front of plot 301. This had Prowl H2O and Roundup Power Max applied pre-emergence. And then on May 11th it had Zidua SC at 2.75 ounces, Vermoxanil and Goaltender. See, we're getting pretty good weed control here, especially of the hairy nightshade. It's virtually all controlled. There are a few lamb's quarter escapes and some grasses as well. But right now I'm going to walk over to the untreated plot and you'll see the level of weed pressure in this field. Here's the untreated control, a range of weeds in here, predominantly the common lamb's quarter, hairy nightshade, and some grasses, but there are a few other broadleaves as well. I'm going to take a step now into another Zidua plot. The difference between this one and the first one we looked at is that this one has a lower rate of Zidua. So once again, this plot had Prowl H2O and Roundup Power Max pre-emergence, and then it had Zidua at 2 ounces plus Vermoxanil and Goaltender. You can see it's not quite as strong as the first plot we looked at. The next plot I'm going to walk over to is our grower standard. You can see here in the grower standard a little bit more weed pressure, especially compared to that first Zidua plot we looked at. And just to reiterate, the grower standard here is Prowl H2O, Roundup Power Max applied pre-emergence. And then this one's had 2 applications of Vermoxanil plus Goaltender, one on May 11th and the second on June 2nd.